More than 2 centuries ago, around the year of 1790, an Italian physician and researcher named Luigi Galvani was studying the anatomy of nerves and muscles. During an experiment, his assistant accidentally touched the nerve of a frog's leg with an electrically charged scalpel, and they saw the leg kick. This was the first time that scientists realized that our nervous system actually works on the basis of ion exchange, or as we call it, electricity. This means that every bit of information traveling to or from our brain is an electrical signal, including all of our senses. So how does our body change light from the sun, the smell of a flower, or the movement of our body into something that we perceive? Let's see if you know the answer. What do you, solar panels, batteries, and a windmill have in common? If you remember back from physics class, anything that takes one form of energy and converts it into electricity is called a transducer. We have millions of transducers all over our body called receptors. You probably know these as your senses. These sensory receptors turn the environment into electricity to power our brain and to make it learn and adapt to our surroundings through plasticity. So our eyes turn light into electricity, our skin turns touch into electricity, our nose turns smell into electricity, all so we can perceive our environment, think about it, and then interact with it. Studies using a very specific type of brain imaging called functional MRI have shown that each one of these senses electrically excites a very specific area of our brain. And when these senses are activated with repetition and intensity, they can actually rewire our brain function. Receptor-based therapies such as physical therapy, chiropractic, light therapy, sound therapy, occupational therapy, and vestibular rehabilitation are a way to harness senses and target different areas of an individual's brain that might not be working as well as desired. The experts at Plasticity Brain Centers have been trained to harness a number of different types of receptor-based therapies to rehabilitate brain function, optimize performance, and unleash your brain's potential.